Blessed morning. This is our weekend. My little kittens are sleeping because of it's a summer, very hot outside. So there they are after they had their breakfast. They are sleeping. Nice seeing them. Oh, lovely siblings. They love to sleep together and cuddles in their bed. It's so nice and comfy and smells nice because I just wash it, and it seems like they love it so much. They like to sleep in their beds. Hi little one, do you love your bed? How cozy it is. Sleep tight. You love it? Oh, sleep well. Then later on, you will have your treats. Okay? I hope all the cats and kittens are like this. They have their life